Sixth most frequently asked question about a DCF SAIN interview in Massachusetts is, do all children have to do a SAIN interview when there's been abuse or neglect alleged? The simple answer is no. Only cases involving sexual abuse where there's no discretion, referrals made to the DA, then the DA decides whether or not there will be a SAIN interview. Same thing with physical abuse. There may be some cases that don't rise to the level that it's a substantial danger to the child and therefore possible criminal charges. Not all physical abuse cases result in a SAIN interview. And although neglect can be referred to the DA, it's the discretion of DCF, very rarely do I see that. Again, they can if they want. Recap, all sex abuse cases are referred to the district attorney. Some physical abuse cases, depending on the severity of them, are referred, as well as very rarely is neglect cases. But it's the district attorney that decides whether or not a child should be interviewed for a SAIN interview, with obviously the cooperation of DCF. So it's really important to remember, DCF is an arm of the government. They are the government, as is the local, state, and federal police, as is the district attorney. What you say to DCF can and will be reported to the district attorney and the local, state, and federal police, which can result in criminal charges, therefore possible prison or jail time. Be careful. Please, please, please. You've got a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. That is why you hire a lawyer, to make sure that you're protected every step of the way. DCF is not obligated to tell you that you have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Also not obligated to tell you orally that the case has been sent to the DA, but they should. And it should be in writing that when you receive a letter saying it's been supported against you, that it's going to go to the DA for a SAIN interview. SAIN interviews, however, take place during the 51B investigation for the rationale and reason they don't want the child to be interviewed numerous times, which is a good policy.